Welcome to a tutorial video by A+ STEM Labs. I'm David Dickman, an instructional technology specialist. This video will show you how to run an assessment in TurningPoint. If you have any questions after the video, please email pd@aplusstemlabs.com. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos at aplusstemlabs.com/tutorials. In this video, we'll start off with choosing the class list. We'll then see the correct answer indicator after our students have answered the question. We'll use a countdown timer on one of our questions. We'll save the session so that we can view reports later on. And we'll reset the session so that we have the ability to use this assessment with another class. Let's jump right over into an example assessment. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the Participants section of the TurningPoint menu bar and change from auto to the class list that I want to use. In this example, I'm going to use class list 701. Now that my class list is selected, I'm ready to start giving my assessment. Let's hit play to run the slideshow. I'm on the first slide. Let's go to the first one with a question on it. Here we go. On the question page, we can see the question, the answer choices. We can see how many people have responded so far, where it says responses 0. I can see that polling is open, so students can answer the questions right now. And I have a response table showing me the numbers 1 to 3, letting me know who's answered. These will change color as my students answer. Let's answer a question for student number 1. Their color changed, indicating that they've answered the question. Let's have the other students answer the question as well. Now that everyone's answered the question, let's pretend for a moment that student 1 wants to change their answer. They can do so, and when they do so, we'll see a color change in the response table. Let's do that now. Now we can see that student 1's color has changed, indicating that they've changed their answer. Now that we're done answering the question, we'll click to see the correct answer indicator and the graph. So here's the graph showing us how we did, letting us know how my students answered the question, and we'll click one more time to see the correct answer indicator, letting us know that number 3 was the correct answer. Let's click to go on to the next question. This question uses a timer. The way the timers work is that they don't start until you click after you're already on the slide. So my timer has not started yet. Now that I'm ready for my students to answer the question, I will click and the timer will begin. They have 15 seconds to answer the question. There's my 15-second timer, and now my students will answer their question. And we can see that everyone's answered the question in the appropriate amount of time. We'll let the timer complete. And now we can see it says polling closed and the table has closed, letting us know that students can't change their answer anymore. We click again and we see the graph letting us know how our students did. Here's the graph letting us know. And now we click one more time to see the correct answer indicator. There's the correct answer indicator, letting us know the right answer was summer. We'll click one more time to end our slideshow. There, we're done. There we go. We're out of the slideshow. Now, we need to do two things. We need to save the session so that I can generate reports later on. We'll go to the Sessions section of the TurningPoint menu and go to Save and Save Session. I could name it something else if I wanted to, or I could just leave it the same name, which is what I'm going to do for now, and click Save. Now that I've saved the session, it's important that I reset the session so that I can use this file again with other students in the future. We'll go to Reset and then Session. It's now resetting the session. Now I can use this file again with other students in the future. Let's save the file and close out of it. So that's how you run an assessment in TurningPoint. If you have any questions after this video, please email pd@aplusstemlabs.com. And don't forget to check out our other videos at aplusstemlabs.com/tutorials.